And then after the breathing, I felt like much more aware and expansive. And this represents like my breath and my aura feeling more like present.
I feel like I have accomplished my self-care routine today, and I feel recharged.
Nirvana. I don't know why, but I like that word.
You sound calmer.
Yeah. Oh, thank
You do sound calmer in your voice.
Despite all the coffee, right? I do. I do. I do feel calmer. I do so. Yeah. I hope it stays like that for the whole week. Me too. Yeah. Right.
Because I was talking to Aida about certain emails and situations that we have, and I felt like I should go home now. And this change everything. It changed your perception. You feel more self-conscious and ready to start taking it again from the beginning, on your terms. And yeah, I feel like again, awakened. Even my aura feels like it's a little clearer, and inspired to start meditating again on a daily basis.